Good morning to all my YouTube viewer families. Today's first question is International Day of Innocent Children Victim of Aggression observed in June 1st, 2nd, 4th or 5th. The correct answer is 4th. International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression is a United Nations observance held on June 4 every year. It was established on 19th August 1982. The purpose of the day is to acknowledge the pain suffered by children through the world who are the victim of physical, mental and emotional abuse. Question number 2. Brazil to host Copa America for dash consecutive time, 6th, 5th, 2nd or 3rd. The correct answer is 2nd. Brazil will host Copa America for the second consecutive time after Colombia and Argentina were stripped for hosting rights for the football tournament. It has been announced by South America's soccer body CONMEBOL. The tournament is confirmed to take place between June 13 and July 10. Question number 3. Who among the following will launch the SAGE project? Narendra Modi, N.S. Tomar, Prahlad Patel, Tawarchand Gehlot. The correct answer is Tawarchand Gehlot. The Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment will launch Senior Care Aging Growth Engine, SAGE. Protect to select, support and create a one-stop access of elderly care products and services by credible startup. The initiative was launched by Sri Thawarchand Gehlot in the presence of MSJE Sri Ratan Lal Kataria in New Delhi. Question number 4. Union Minister Narendra Singh Tomar launches India's best mega food park at which city? Chandigarh, Raipur, Pune, Surat. The correct answer is Raipur. Union Minister for Food Processing Industries Narendra Singh Tomar visually inaugurated the India's best mega food park Raipur. The park will also provide direct and indirect employment to about 5,000 persons and benefit about 25,000 farmers in the CPC and PPC catchment areas. Question number 5. Which state governor has appointed V. Bhopal Reddy as Pro Team Council Chairman? Haryana, Telangana, Karnataka, Kerala. Correct answer is Telangana. Telangana Governor Tamilisai Soundararajan appointed V. Bhopal Reddy MLC from Medak Local Authorities segment as Pro Team Chairman for the State Legislative Council. President Chairman Gutha Sukender Reddy and Deputy Chairman Nithi Vidya Sagar retired as MLAs. Question number 6. Ranjit Singh Dissol has been appointed as Education Advisor to which bank? NDB, EDB, IMF, World Bank. The correct answer is World Bank. Ranjit Singh Dissol, a primary teacher from Maharashtra, Solapur, who won the Global Teacher Prize 2020, has been appointed as the World Bank Education Advisor for the period between 2021 to June 2024. The World Bank has launched a new coach initiative that aims to accelerate students' learning by improving. Question number 7. Who has taken oath as DG of Assam Rifles? Anand Rathi, Nalini Kumar, Pradeep Chandra Nair, Amit Tyagi. The correct answer is Pradeep Chandra Nair. Lieutenant General Pradeep Chandra Nair, Ati Visist Seva Medal AVSM, Young Seva Medal YSM, took over as the 21st Director General of the Assam Rifle, popularly known as Sentinels of Northeast. Question number 8. Which international airport has bagged a Green Award? Mumbai, Delhi, Surat, Hyderabad. The correct answer is Hyderabad. For the 4th consecutive year, Hyderabad International Airport has been awarded the Gold recognition by the Airports Council International ACI Asia Pacific Green Airport Recognition 2021 in the below 25 million passengers per annum category. Question number 9. Who has renamed to top ICC Women's T20I batting ranking? Aditi Tyagi, Rani Talwar, Shafali Verma, Nalini Singh. The correct answer is Shafali Verma. Teenage India's batswoman Shafali Verma continued to top the ICC Women's T21 batting ranking. The 17 years old player being touted as the successor to Smriti Mandana as 776 point. India's T20 vice captain Smriti is 4th with 693 points. Number 10. What is the rank of Indian women's hockey team in the latest International Hockey Federation World Ranking? 1st, 5th, 9th, 10th. The correct answer is 9th. So the women's team held to the 9th position in the latest International Hockey Federation World Ranking. Question number 11. Which of the following Indian state doesn't share a border with China? Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh. The correct answer is Assam. C. Indian state Assam doesn't share a border with China while other states give in the option are share border with China. Question number 12. Bharti Exa Life recently signed a pact with which of the following small finance bank? Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, Shivalik Small Finance Bank, Capital Small Finance Bank, FinCare Small Finance Bank. The correct answer is B. Shivali Small Finance Bank. This alliance will enable over 4.5 lakh customers of Shivalik Bank to access the range of product financial security. This alliance is a part of the bank's various measures towards financial inclusion and acceleration of wealth creation for its customers. Former Prime Minister and President of the Republic of Mauritius passed away. Shivo Sagur Ramgulam, Naveen Ramgulam, Sir Anirudh Jugnauth, Paul Berenger. The former Prime Minister and President of the Republic of Mauritius, Sir Anirudh Jugnauth, passed away. He is the country's longest surviving Prime Minister with more than 18 years of tenure. He was considered the father of Mauritius' economic miracle of the 1980s. Question number 14. NTPC joins UN's CEO water mandate. India's largest power utility, NTPC Limited, has become a signatory of UN Global Compact CEO water mandate. Highlight CEO water mandate is a covenanted legal of companies focusing on efficient water management. Chairman and Managing Director of NTPC, Sri Gurdeep Singh, has joined a select group of business leaders who recognize importance of water stewardship and is working to conserve water. 15. Denmark approves artificial island of Copenhagen. Parliament of Denmark has approved plan for an artificial island which will house 35,000 people and help in protecting port of Copenhagen from rising sea level. Lynette Holm Island, this giant island would have an area of 1 square mile and would be connected to mainland through ring road, tunnels and metro line. Central Board of Secondary Education, in collaboration with Microsoft, to introduce coding and data science in school curriculum. Key point coding will be introduced for students of class 6 to class 8, while data science be introduced for class 8 to class 12 as in skill subject. Both these courses will be introduced in 2021 to 2022 academic session. Number 17. As per the World Health Assembly, when is the World Neglected Tropical Disease (NTD) Day to be observed? January 30, February 28, March 31st, April 30. The correct answer is January 30th. The ongoing 74th World Health Assembly declared January 30 as World Neglected Tropical Diseases (NTD) Day. The proposal to recognize the day was initiated by the United Arab Emirates and it was adopted unanimously by the member countries. NTDs are a group of infection caused by a variety of pathogens such as virus, bacteria, protozoa and parasitic worms. Number 18. Kerala launches Knowledge Economy Mission. Kerala government has launched Knowledge Economy Mission to boost job prospects in the state by supporting knowledge workers. Highlight initiative was announced in the state budget on June 4. It was being spearheaded by Kerala Development and Innovation Strategic Council KDISC and they will submit a comprehensive project report before July 15. IISR get patent for black pepper micronutrient. Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICAR, Indian Institute of Species Research IISC got patent for black pepper micronutrient foliar formulation for which it has submitted application in 2013. Key point: ICAR IISR submitted an application for patent in 2013 to Patent Office under central government. Black pepper scientific micronutrient formulation was developed by a team comprising of 3 scientists: Dr. V. Srinivasam, Dr. S. Hamza and Dr. R. Dinesh. Number 20, the last question. Blue Find Mahasir, IUCN, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, recently upgraded the status of the blue find measure from endangered to least concern on its red list. The Mahasir belongs to the genus Stor, which has several subspecies found in India and other South Asia rank countries. The blue find Mahasir, also known as the Tor Khudri, is a substance of Mahasir. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe, and thank you for listening me too. Thank you so much.